Hello everyone. In this video, Windmill Software will present some of the new and improved reporting capabilities in PlanView PPM Pro. We'll focus on adding drill downs, grouping, time series enhancements, filtering options for users, and exporting reports.
We'll also look at enhancements to the Gantt report, including financial field display and export options.
Let's start by introducing drill downs. Drill downs are essentially links provided within reports that take users to other information in the tool, like other reports or dashboards, subdata, and entities. I'll start by adding a drill down to an existing report. I'll use the risk report. On the Display tab, I can see my editor on the left and the report previewer on the right. In the editor, there's a new drill down section. It lists the fields that are used in this report. I can choose which type of drill down to use, and, if needed, which report or dashboard to link. For this example, I'll link the project field to the entity, which is the project itself. Note that the project names in the previewer are now hyperlinked. When I run the report, I am able to click on a project name, and the project will open in a new tab. I also have the ability to group my risks by a common field. In this case, I'll use risk status. This allows me to see the risks broken out by status. On reports that are using time series fields, we can now add flexibility to the displayed time range. On the Variable Settings tab, there is new functionality in the time series section. I can choose from a number of different date range formulas. This allows me to report on very specific time-related data. For this example, I'll choose is before the end of the year. In the Filter section, I have a few additional options related to users changing the filter in the report. I can leave them blank to restrict the output of the report to the filter I prescribe. I can allow the user to update the filter once the report has run with the standard settings. I can also allow the user to select their own filter criteria prior to the report output display. I'll use this setting and run the report. Notice that I am prompted to insert a filter before the report runs. This is optional. If I leave the filter blank, the report will run with the default settings. With the report output showing, I still have the option to update the filter as needed. I can also export the report to several formats, including PowerPoint.
I'll finish up by taking a look at the latest enhancement to the Gantt report. There is now the capability of displaying monetary data in the grid using abbreviations. Take a look at my budget cost column. I'll open the drop-down and hover over Display Data As. This gives me a number of formats to use for the data in this column. I now have the ability to select K to represent thousands and M to represent millions. I'll select K and save and run the report. I also have some additional options when it comes to exporting my Gantt. I can export it to Excel, CSV, and TSV.
In this video, we have demonstrated adding drill downs, grouping, time series enhancements, filtering options for users, and exporting reports.
We also looked at enhancements to the Gantt report, including financial field display and export options.
You can find more videos showing the latest and greatest from PlanView PPM Pro on our website. If you would like to schedule a more focused demo for your team, please contact Windmill using the information on the screen.